Hi everyone and welcome to the Eforia YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a really easy and budget-friendly way to organize your fridge. But before we get started, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps my small channel out a lot. Hope you're ready for this. Let's get started. Here are a bunch of wooden sticks that I have in my home from previous projects. These are kind of the leftovers, they're kind of rough, but I think I figured out a way to use them now because I really don't want to throw them away. I decided to use these leftover sticks to create some magnetic storage for my fridge. I really want to organize my fridge a little bit better. There's always a bunch of paper on it and I really don't like how messy it looks. The only thing you're gonna need for this is wooden sticks, a glue gun, and fridge magnets. So now I'm gonna start by creating a storage box for papers. I'm putting out 3 in a row and then I'm going to secure them with these smaller pieces that I have. This will make out the base for this storage box. This is just an easy and quick DIY and I don't feel that it has to be perfect. So I'm not gonna take any measurements. I'm sawing off the ends here. Now I'm gonna start creating the walls, so I'm just gluing 1 stick in each corner. They're gonna be a little bit wobbly now, but I'm going to secure them with more sticks later on. Now I'm getting started with the front. I'm putting 1 stick in the middle just to get more support. Whoops, this one broke, so I'll have to attach a new one. And here, of course, is the mandatory visit from my cat, Mumin. I actually think you can see her at least one point in all of my videos. Please make sure to correct me if I'm wrong. Now the front is finished and I'm going to start with the sides. Ouch! A note to self and all others who are watching this video, please do not glue your fingers with a glue gun. It really hurts. Now I'm attaching 3 sticks on the back, and this is where I will be putting the magnets. time to put on the magnets. These are just regular fridge magnets that I already had in my home, and I'm simply attaching them with the glue gun as well. Now the storage box for papers is finished. I'm going to show you the results at the end of the video. Let's get started with the next storage box for the fridge. My child has these alphabetic fridge magnets, but it kind of looks a little bit messy when they're all over the fridge, so I'm going to create a tiny little storage box to store these when they're not in use. I'm using the same technique as I did with the previous one, except with this one I'm placing the sticks a little bit closer to each other so the sides get fully covered. Here she is again. It would be so much fun for me if you guys could leave me a comment in this video and let me know what you want to see more of in my channel. What previous videos do you like and what would you like to see more of? Please let me know what you guys think. I decided to put more sticks on the back so nothing falls out of it. Now I'm finished with today's project and it's time for the best part of the video. Here comes the reveal. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really fun and easy DIY. Hope to see you back here soon again. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.